In today's video, we will discuss the class 12th chapter Ray Optics and the subtopics that comes under it. Ray Optics class 12 notes have been subdivided into the following subsections to help students navigate through them easily. 1. Rectilinear propagation of light. In geometry, the term rectilinear literally means straight, and the rectilinear propagation of light indicates that light travels in a straight line from the source. We are unable to look around the corners of the objects on which the light ray falls because of this property, which prevents light from bending. Refraction and reflection are two notable phenomena associated with the rectilinear propagation of light. A mirror can demonstrate reflection, and refraction can be explained by observing how a person's hand appears bent and smaller when placed in a tub of water. Reflection of light. When a light beam strikes a polished, smooth, or bright object, the phenomenon known as reflection or reflection of light occurs and returns to our eyes. We have a foundation from which to view the environment thanks to this phenomenon. Before, after, and during reflection, light travels in a straight line. Take, for instance, the glimmering of stars or the reflection of light in a mirror. Refraction of light. One of the most common phenomena that are observed is the refraction of light. However, refraction also occurs in sound waves and water waves. Optic tools like lenses, prisms, and magnifying glasses are made possible by refraction. We are also able to focus light on our retina because of the refraction of light. Refraction is utilized in the design of spectacles worn by people with impaired vision. Also, peepholes for house doors, cameras, movie projectors, and telescopes all make use of refraction. 2. Spherical mirrors. A mirror that is cut out of a spherical surface or material is referred to as a spherical mirror or a mirror that is a part of a sphere. Spherical mirrors can be divided into two categories, which are convex mirror and concave mirrors. 3. Lens. A lens is a transparent, polished body with curved surfaces on two sides. One of the surfaces, in particular, might be a plane. The boundaries of spherical lenses are spherical surfaces. A parallel beam of incident rays is transformed into a convergent beam by convergent lenses. Some of the main terms related to lenses are listed below. Center of curvature, radius of curvature, principal axis, optical center, principal foci, first principal focus f1, second principal f2, and focal length. 4. Prism. In physics, a prism is a flat, transparent optical element that reflects light. Any transparent material with the appropriate wavelengths can be used to make these. Glass, fluorite, and plastic are the materials that are utilized the most. 5. Optical instruments. Optical instruments are devices that process light waves to enhance an image for a more clear view. The properties of reflection, refraction, dispersion, and others have been used to create a variety of optical instruments that we use every day. Ray Optics Class 12 Notes provides a concise overview of these optical instruments. 6. Human eye. Our eyes are made up of different nerve fibers and cells that are connected to each other and can detect the intensity of light and color. For instance, nerve cells like rods and cones make up the retina of our eyes. These cells take in light, transform it into electrical signals, and then send them to the brain via the optic nerves. The shape and focal length of the eye's lens can be altered with the assistance of the ciliary muscles. 7. Microscope. A microscope is an instrument that can be used to observe small objects. A converging lens with a short focal length is what makes up a simple microscope, which is also known as a magnifying glass. In this, a virtual image that is magnified, straight, and held close to the eye is created. A compound microscope, on the other hand, has two converging lenses which are an eyepiece with a long focal length and a large aperture and an objective lens with a short focal length. And lastly 8. Telescope. A telescope is an optical instrument designed to make distant objects appear nearer, containing an arrangement of lenses, or of curved mirrors and lenses, by which rays of light are collected and focused and the resulting image is magnified. When looking at distant objects, a telescope is used. It has an eye lens with a small aperture and a short focal length and an objective lens with a large aperture. With that, we come to an end to today's video, and for detailed information on this topic, you can check out the link in the description and find the detailed notes on our website www.getmyuni.com.